explanation for the take-home quiz question number 1. Set up a sum accumulator and use a for loop with a range statement to find 1 plus 3 to 101 and then print statement to show the output. So the first step is initializing the sum accumulator to 0. So we can type like sum accum equals 0. And we use a for loop. So for I in a range, and here's the range. So this can be like here. So 1, it can be called begin, and 102 is the end, and 2 is the increment. So between it is the difference between the numbers. So it can also called like step. And then we need to define sum accumulator. So sum accumulator is equal sum accumulator plus I, and we use the output. And because we need to print the output, so output is equal 1 plus 3 to the 101. When you need this sentence in the shell, it can be more clear. And then we print the output, we can get a result. So the range function is especially used for in combination for the for loop. The range function splices the numbers from 1 to 101 with increment 2 for the for loop to calculate the sum of these numbers. So we ran it, and then we can get a result. So it's 2,601. So this is the explanation for the take-home quiz question number 1.